Hi, this is Brian Fogarty, and this is a video for Chapter 15 of the book Quantitative Social Science Data with R, second edition. And in this video, what we're going to do are odds ratio interpretations of our statistically significant predictors from our strong leader model, or our ordered Logit model that we did in the last video. So let's take a quick look just to remind us what was significant here. Okay, so we had three variables that were confidence, HH, fin status, and EDU. Okay, so I'm just going to do the odds ratio as a percentage. Again, I think odds ratio percentage is way more intuitive to understand than the sort of regular, the non-percentage version. So let's calculate them. Again, we just do the simple transformation here with the exp function. So we have the exponential, which is exp function, model 2 $ coefficients. All right, and then outside the first close, we're going to do -1, and then outside the second close, we'll do times 100. Okay, so let's see what it was. So it's confidence, HH fin, and EDU. All right, so we can interpret this. Okay, I'm just going to do it verbally. It's in the chapter where it's written out. So for confidence, for a 1 unit increase in confidence in the national government, the odds of a respondent having more support for an authoritarian regime is expected to increase by 15.86%. So again, this phrasing is just a little weird. Let's try it again. For a 1 unit increase in confidence in national government, the odds of respondents having more support for an authoritarian regime is expected to increase by 15.86%. Sorry, I got tripped up on the sort of individual versus group. The group one sounds better. Now, if you remember, with ordered Logit doing odds ratio, these are the cumulative odds. So we need to use like a phrasing like more or greater or something like that to indicate that it's accumulating over. Okay. For the household financial status, we can interpret it as, so it's here, for 1 unit increase in satisfaction with household finances, the odds of respondents having more support for an authoritarian regime is expected to increase by 6.86%. Okay? So people that are more satisfied with their current situation have greater, or indicating greater support for authoritarian regime. It's actually kind of interesting. Again, it would be helpful to be someone that knows a good amount about Kenya in order to discuss this. All right, and then the last one for education. We have for a 1 unit increase in education level, the odds of respondents having more support for an authoritarian regime is expected to decrease by 26.06%. Right, so people with higher education levels are less supportive of authoritarian regime. Okay, that is it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.